Have you ever wondered how we can combine modern technology with natural materials to create sustainable energy solutions? Picture this: harnessing the power of the sun while utilizing the strength and beauty of wood. This is the essence of sustainable energy solutions. Consider the solar carport, an innovative creation using Douglas wood. Crafted with care by French wood specialists, it's a testament to the marriage of technology and nature. So, are you ready to explore this sustainable wonder? Let's delve into the fascinating process of creating a solar carport using Douglas wood. Imagine being able to harness the sun's energy while your car is parked, all thanks to the ingenious use of Douglas wood. Let's dive into the process of creating such a marvel. The journey begins with the selection of Douglas wood, a type that's not only aesthetically pleasing but also naturally resistant to decay. This makes it an ideal choice for an outdoor structure exposed to the elements. The inherent durability of this wood means that our solar carport can stand tall for years, with minimal maintenance. Now onto the lifeblood of our carport, the solar panels. These aren't just slapped onto the structure. Oh no, they are meticulously integrated into the carport's design. This ensures a seamless blend of function and form where the panels enhance the structure's look while harnessing the sun's energy. But let's not forget the sustainable aspect of this design. The solar panels themselves are made from silicon, an abundant and non-toxic material. They convert sunlight into electricity during the day, which can be used immediately or stored for later use. This not only reduces reliance on traditional energy sources, but also decreases carbon footprint. The result? A carport that doesn't just protect your vehicle from the elements but also serves as a sustainable energy solution. And the best part? It does all this while maintaining a harmonious relationship with nature, the ultimate testament to the beauty of sustainable design. Just like that, a simple carport is transformed into a sustainable energy solution, all while maintaining a harmonious relationship with nature. So, what makes this solar carport so special? Well, let's start with the material, Douglas wood. This type of wood is known for its strength and durability, making it an excellent choice for outdoor structures. But it's not just about the strength. Douglas wood also has a beautiful grain that adds a touch of elegance to the carport's design. Next, we have the solar panels. These are seamlessly integrated into the design of the carport, turning what would otherwise be an ordinary structure into a powerhouse of renewable energy. And it doesn't stop at providing power for your car. Depending on the size of your carport and the amount of sunlight it gets, it could generate enough power to help run your home too. The solar carport is more than just a place to park your car. It's a statement about living sustainably, using what nature gives us to power our lives in a way that's kind to the environment. And there you have it. A solar carport that serves as a shining example of how we can use natural materials and modern technology to create sustainable energy solutions.